Hey everyone, so welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on motion tracking in CapCut PC. So I'm going to show you in this video how you can make your text move following the motions in a video. So here I've already had a video of this girl dancing, and I want to add tags that follow the motions of a certain part of this video. So I'm going to just go to tags and then create the tags first. Okay, I'm going to write the tags. Okay, I'm going to change the style. Okay, so what you need to do is to have that motion tracking effect is click on the tags and go to tracking at the top here and click on motion tracking. Okay, so in here you just need to select the area to follow. So let's say I want to follow the hand of this girl, and you can choose the direction both forward or backward. I'm going to just choose both, and here I'm going to just follow tracking object on scale and distance. Then just click on start and wait for the tracking process to finish. Okay, you can see now that CapCut is starting to do the tracking process. You can just wait. Okay, now so the tracking process has been finished, and let's see the result. Okay, so as you guys can see, the tags will blow the motions of the object that I marked before. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks button below. Bye!